guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I spent an afternoon in Mexico in my house. How was the evening, when do we eat, what do we do. So it's 6:15 and I'm gonna cook something for you tonight. I'll just show you how I cook it, how I do it. It's called it's a French thing, because when I came, I offered to my family what it's called pralines, and they are expiring in like 10 days. So I want to cook them now, and I'm just gonna do what we call a brioche au praline. For French people, they know what it is. I'm sorry, for other people, I'm gonna put a picture right here so you can see what it looks like, and we're gonna try to do that right now. So I need butter, praline, levadura, azúcar, huevo, sal y harina, leche que está aquí. So here is my recipe. I took it on Magimix because I have one in my house in France, and I used to do the exact recipe and it went really well. So I wanted to do the same. Well, I just finished to cook, so I'm just gonna let the dough rest, and then I'll come back in 1 hour to finish it. Then generally what I do, I go to my room, I take every notebooks that I have, and I see what I want to do. Like if I want to do my little Mexican journal, or if I want to paint or draw, or I can work on my verbs that I really need to work on, because I have some verbs that I use every day and that I don't know how to conjugate. So for example, there is a verb to see. I really need to work on it, so I think that's what I'm gonna do now. And I'm gonna put Grey's Anatomy on my laptop so I can do two things at the same time. It's currently 7:30 and I'm gonna finish like my brioche that I was doing, and I'm gonna put it in the oven, and I'm gonna continue my series. And I am right now drawing, so I'll just do that again, and then my host dad will come home and we'll eat, and I'll show you like the night routine. You can see here my host mom and my host sister and I eating and talking about anything. And they told me that they love what I did. And the next morning I learned to my host sister how to do it. And then I went to wash my teeth. I get back to my room. It's time to go to bed. I'm just gonna take off my makeup and put myself in pajama, and that's it for the moment. Okay, so now it's time to go to sleep. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna set my alarm for tomorrow, and I think I'll continue to draw. I don't know, maybe watch a series. I don't know. Depends of how tired I am. What I wanted to say is thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I'll hope you have a great day or a great night. I don't know what time you're watching this video. Oh, bye. Love you guys.